Let's talk about the extra information. This information is extremely important. You wish to purchase a real estate property? A. Employment stability. Do not change jobs or employment status during the home buying process. Lenders require income stability to assess your loan eligibility. B. Banking consistency. Avoid opening or closing bank accounts during this time. Consistent financial records are crucial for underwriting. C. Avoid major purchases. Do not make major purchases such as vehicles, boats, RVs, or furniture, whether on credit or with cash from your bank account. Large transactions can disrupt your financial profile and jeopardize your mortgage approval. Important note: always consult your loan officer, mortgage consultant, or lender before making any financial decisions during the home buying process. This ensures you don't unintentionally ruin your opportunity to purchase real estate. The benefits of owning real estate property. A. Adjust to your new expenses. The first year is a period of financial adjustment. Avoid taking on additional expenses during the initial 12 months after your purchase. This helps you get accustomed to your new mortgage payments, PITI or PITI-HOA. B. Community and stability. Owning property allows you and your family to establish roots in a community and create long-term stability. C. Stop paying rent. By owning property, you stop throwing money away on rent and invest in your future. D. Build equity. Real estate can appreciate over time, building equity as your property value increases. E. Leverage your equity. Equity represents the value you've gained in your property. You can use it to secure a second mortgage or a HELOC, home equity line of credit, for other financial needs. F. Tax benefits. Certain costs of home ownership may be tax deductible, including part or all of the closing costs. Consult your tax advisor. Part or all of the interest paid on your mortgage loan. Consult your tax advisor. Property taxes paid on the real estate property. Consult your tax advisor. Important note: always consult a tax accountant or CPA for detailed advice on the tax benefits of home ownership. They can guide you on all applicable deductions. To have a mortgage loan is a privilege, not a right. A. Documentation requirements. Owning real estate requires meeting specific requirements and providing documentation for verification by the lender or third parties. B. Provide essential documents. Failing to submit necessary documents will halt your loan process. C. Be transparent. From the start, be honest about your financial situation with your lender. Transparency helps prevent complications later. D. Expect possible delays. Lenders may require additional documents. If you don't have them readily available, the process could be delayed. E. Understand the lender's role. The lender's goal is to ensure you meet all requirements and resolve outstanding stipulations before granting the loan. F. Denial is possible. Even with excellent credit, lenders can deny a mortgage loan if they find your financial profile doesn't meet their requirements or if specific regulatory conditions aren't met. 1. Income verification changes. Lenders are now required to utilize updated automated tools to verify income stability, providing faster and more accurate assessments. 2. Large transactions monitoring. Federal guidelines require lenders to closely monitor borrowers' financial activities during the underwriting process to prevent risky transactions. 3. Equity and taxation transparency. Revised tax regulations clarify which home ownership costs are deductible. Always consult a CPA for updates. 4. Document submission flexibility. Digital document submissions are now prioritized, but borrowers must ensure timeliness to avoid delays. 5. Lender denial rights. Lenders have stricter guidelines for denying loans due to discrepancies in financial documentation or large unexplained transactions. Next section. Let's talk about consumers beware. The real estate profession involves various individuals and entities. To safeguard your funds and ensure compliance with federal regulations, adhere to the following guidelines. A. Avoid direct payments to individuals. Never provide funds in the form of cash, personal checks, money orders, or cashier's checks to individuals such as loan officers or mortgage consultants, realtors or real estate agents, escrow officers, real estate lawyers, sellers, any other person claiming involvement in the transaction. Payments should always be made to the proper institution or entity associated with the real estate transaction. Direct payments to individuals are a violation of federal and state regulations and pose significant financial risks. B. Risk of non-compliance. Failing to follow these guidelines could result in severe financial losses, including the loss of your earnest money deposit, forfeiture of your down payment and closing costs, potential loss of the property itself. See approved payments for credit reports, loan applications, and appraisals. For expenses like the credit report, loan application Form 1003, and property appraisal, use personal checks or money orders payable only to the lending company or appraisal company. D. Earnest money deposit. For the initial earnest deposit related to the property, provide a personal check or cashier's check payable only to the title and escrow company, real estate agency, or real estate law firm. E. Down payment and closing costs. For your down payment and closing costs, provide a cashier's check, only payable only to the title and escrow company or real estate law firm. F. Official receipts are mandatory. When making any payment, demand an official receipt immediately as proof of payment. Do not leave without obtaining this documentation. G. Reporting non-compliance. Real estate professionals are not permitted to accept funds in their personal name. If any individual requests payments to their personal account, immediately report them to your state's banking commission, your state's real estate commission. We hope this information proves useful for your future real estate endeavors. Please review the following updated guidance in accordance with current federal regulations. A. Ask questions without hesitation. If you have any questions or concerns, consult with real estate professionals in your community. Remember, there are no dumb questions, only the ones that go unasked. Clear communication is key to a successful transaction. B. Reporting mortgage loan fraud. If you suspect mortgage loan fraud, contact your state's banking commission or financial institution's office. They are equipped to handle such matters and ensure compliance with federal and state laws. C. Reporting real estate fraud. For suspected real estate fraud, promptly reach out to your state real estate department, commission, or board. Timely reporting is essential to prevent further issues. D. Signing and retaining documents. When signing official real estate or related documents, ensure you 1. Understand the documents clearly. Don't hesitate to ask for explanations. 2. Request copies immediately. If a copy cannot be provided on the spot, request a written note from the real estate professional confirming the date, their name and company, their signature, a commitment to provide the documents within 24 hours. This step ensures accountability and safeguards your interests. E. Personal responsibility for documents. As a buyer or seller, you bear the ultimate responsibility for asking questions, fully understanding the documents, signing accurately, keeping and maintaining these important records. These documents are invaluable and may be needed for future transactions, refinancing, or legal purposes. F. When you are ready to buy, sell, or refinance. When embarking on your first or next real estate transaction within the United States, consider using MYDAR as your trusted real estate guide. It offers a reliable framework for navigating the complexities of real estate transactions. Thank you for trusting MYDAR, and for your continued patronage. We are committed to supporting your real estate journey every step of the way. And remember, I highly encourage you to purchase the paperback or hardcover edition of MYDAR, available on Amazon. It serves as a reliable and comprehensive reference guide to support you throughout this first-time home buyer course and beyond. Congratulations! You've completed the Extra and Consumers Beware sections. Please proceed to the next video on the offices of the State Bank Commissions in the USA section. Feel free to revisit this section or any previous videos if you need further clarification on any information.